In this video, I'll show you how you can calculate percentage in Excel. Now this is super easy, guys, so let's get straight into it. First, you want to have your two numbers, and then the formula will be equals this one, hold Alt and press on it, equals, control this one, divided by this one. When you do this, you will get a number, and what you can do is press on it, come up here, and this one press on this, and it will show you the percentage. You can do the same here, equals this one divided by this one. You select them by holding down Control, and you will get 0.86, which is 86%, as you can see when I do this. So this one as well, which is 20%, just like that. So that's basically how you can easily calculate percentage in Excel. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.